All right, folks, what's good? I wanted to come in and talk to you real quick about a deal that I've been seeing going around, posted in a few different places. I decided to jump on it, and I think you might be interested. If you've heard of the video editing software Vegas Pro, I apologize if I call it Sony Vegas. It's been Sony Vegas for so long. They recently sold to Magix, but I still know it as Sony Vegas. You can get this software, which runs about $400 for $20 right now. Like I said, if you visit the website Humble Bundle, I'm going to put a link down in the description. It's the Humble Software Rebundle Vegas Pro Edition. Right now they say it's about $928 worth of awesome stuff. That's to be determined, but for the most part, the good thing is you get Vegas Pro 14 Edit, which MSRP is at $399 for $20. Now you get all this other stuff too. You'll get Music Maker 80s Edition, Photo Manager Deluxe, Blockbuster, Sound Pool, Zara Photo and Graphic Designer, Photo Story Deluxe, Music Maker Hip Hop Edition, Vegas Pro 14 Edit, Magix Vintage Effect Suite, Zara Web Designer Premium, Magix Video Sound Cleaning Lab. You get all of that. Now it's up to you what you use, what you don't want to use, but you do get it all. I'll probably just be using this Vegas Pro 14 Edit. Now, if you know anything about video editing on PCs, Vegas Pro has kind of been one of the direct competitors to Adobe Premiere Pro and other tools out there. Honestly, I really got to be honest, it's probably because it was one of the most highly bootleg pieces of software I've ever seen, from torrents, sites, all of that. It was pretty easy to get along the years. Shout out to my boy Epos Vox. He did a video about that before. I'll put a link there. But it's still a great piece of software. It's pretty powerful. I really recommend this to people who are getting into video editing as a way to get started learning video editing on something better than like Windows Movie Maker or something that comes bundled with whatever camera you're using, one of those stupid programs. This is really a great way to get started. So I went ahead, picked up the bundle. You can get it for $20. You can add more. When you go in here, you can choose how your money is divided up between the company, between charity, between Humble Bundle. It's up to you. You gotta put your email address in here. You can pay with PayPal, pay with a card, pay with Amazon. Now I didn't have to actually sign up with Humble Bundle, which was good for me. I was just able to go in here, get that. I use PayPal and get it good. Now I'm gonna be pretty honest about my experience here so far. Once I paid for it, I got an email that gave me a link to all my keys. You get a page that shows all your keys, everything that you get, and gives you the installer downloads for you to download the product with the key, so you'll be good to go. Now I downloaded the installer for Magix Video Pro, and I started the installation process, which killed me. This was the first fail. Honestly, I don't know what's going on, but they have the crappiest servers. Now I get pretty good internet, about 400 down. Not amazing, but 400 down. I'm never having to worry about simple 400 megabyte downloads or anything under multiple gigabytes of downloads. Really never takes a lot of time. This thing honestly took almost 3 hours. And I actually talked to other people who recently purchased this bundle, and they're having the same issues, and it shouldn't have taken 3 hours, plain and simple. But it finally did get downloaded. I was able to get it installed, and then I started it up. And that's where I met my second fail. For some reason with Vegas 14, I just could not get it to start. It kept giving me all these initialization errors right off the bat. So what I did is I had to boot into safe mode, get it to do its first initial setup. It did its first initial setup, booted all the way into the program. I rebooted my machine. I said boot there a lot. I restarted my machine, loaded it up, and it worked fine from there. Now, if you've ever used Vegas in any way, shape, or form, this will look pretty familiar to you. I had to give you guys my true situation going through setting it up, installing it, the issues I had. But once I got here, it was perfectly fine. I was flying with the program that I have a lot of experience with and was able to really knock out this quick edit that you see in the background right here. It's sped up, so don't think I edit that fast. I mean, I'm nice. Maybe not this nice, but still, I honestly think this is a great piece of software for you guys to pick up, especially at that price. $20, you can't beat it. If you've bootlegged it before, here's a way for you to get a legal copy so that you can have if you transfer machines. If you're just looking to get started with video editing, then this is something that I suggest. Yes, I do think Premiere Pro is better. I do think there are better options, but for the beginner, I believe this is a better starting point than some of the other low budget, quick to use options. I definitely think you should pick this up. There's still a lot of time left if you're watching this video on the day that I upload it, but make sure you check the link down in the description to see what's good. Now, if you guys are interested in a full tutorial getting started, you see this video that I'm editing here in the background. I can go through it with you, show you a lot of tips and tricks to get you started. Let me know down in the comments. We can make that happen. It's your boy Dookie. I'm gonna get up out of here, but holla at your boy.